Hi Justin, my name's Simon from Little Big Marketing San Diego. I'm so sorry, I was supposed to send this video out to you sooner. However, I've been doing a bit of traveling, so I'm just getting to it now. Do apologize for that. Please know that this isn't, typical from us, but I'm going to get straight into it. So basically what I want to walk you through here is I'm looking at your site and I'm going to go through a few different things of what you can do to rank your website with SEO, rank a website on Google. So the three main categories that I'm going to be looking at are content on your website in terms of words, images, videos. I'm also going to be looking at backlinks, which are anywhere one website clicks uh, refers to another via a clickable link, and that's called a backlink. And citations, which is anywhere your business name, number, and address is referred to on Google. So get straight into it. Ideally, you want to see your H1, which is your primary header on your website, as the very first thing that you land on. So you've got Pittsburgh's Paintless Dent Repair here, which is great. I would suggest changing this just slightly, even if you just remove the S, and probably put Pittsburgh at the end of this, and I'll show you why in a second. You want it to match, and you want it to exactly match how people are searching on Google. So that's number one. As we scroll down, I see you've got good calls to action, or you could utilize better calls to action. Call us for a quote type thing to make it really obvious as to what you want people to do when they land there. And as we go down, this is great having the reviews on site. This is good. The form. You could definitely do with some some design optimization on your website, make it a little bit more user friendly. And you want to see at least 2,000 words, 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page. Google uses that to it's essentially identify that you're the expert in the field or in the industry, and it allows you to utilize keywords throughout the content. So you can use the words paintless dent repair lots of times, and the more times you use it, the more relevant you are to that topic, as long as you've got content, more words surrounding it. You can't just list that word 100 times type thing. So a little bit more words for sure, and definitely some more images. And if you have any videos of you performing any dent repair work, you can upload them to YouTube and embed them on your page. This all acts as SEO layers. Okay, so they're the main things I'd look at here. Now what I'm going to do is compare you versus your two top competitors for a given keyword. So I've put your website into a tool we use called Ahrefs, and it gives us a look at how your site is performing in terms of SEO. So you're currently showing for around 188 keywords. So if I click into that, you'll see here some of the keywords on the left. Keywords are those phrases that people type into Google. The volume is how many times on average per month they are being searched. KD is how difficult it is to rank for that term. And then your position, where you're currently showing for that keyword. Now these are updated frequently. You can see here this was changed 3 days ago, back in October 24th. So some of them are going to be a little bit different if you were to go and search them right now. But this is where they were the last time the tool checked. So I've just gone for Paintless Dent Repair Pittsburgh. It's got 80 searches per month, so that's 80 potential customers that are searching for that in Google. And if I do that search here, you can see here these guys at the top of your Google business listings. There doesn't seem to be any Google ads, which can be a good thing. If you wanted to get quick leads, you can always launch a pay-per-click Google ad to get quicker leads. And if no one else is bidding, they tend to be quite cheap, but this could also be a poor time of day. And I've chosen here, who are these? Mobile Dent Repair Pittsburgh, and I've also chosen Dent Repair Now. So if we sort of compare them to your page, so we're looking at content, they've definitely got a little bit more content, but certainly not much, and very few images and no videos by the looks. So these aren't the necessary, you don't have to have 1,500 to 2,000 words to rank. the point is that, you know, if you've got 1,500 to 2,000 words, you're already beating them in that category. And it's one of the easier ones to go for. And you can see here they've got paintless dent repairs through their wording, mobile paintless dent repair, you know, mobile and paintless dent repair techniques, etc. So you could beat them out in that one pretty easily. And then if we go to dent repair now, we can see they've got, you know, half a keyword there. There's some little bit of mismatching in their design as well. Image, quite slow. Video, embedded video from YouTube, as I mentioned before, and it looks like he's got a few. This would be helping him rank. Embedded Google Maps, which I don't think you had. No, so you could embed your Google Maps. Even if you're strictly service area business, you can put your service area maps on there. So there's a few things there you can sort of take over these guys with. Now, that's content. Looking at backlinks, what we really want to pay close attention to is the referring domains, and it's all about quantity but also quality. So if we can actually look into what websites are linking back to this website here, it'll show us exactly which ones they are. So FIPL, which is a form of citation, which I mentioned earlier as a brand mention. Car Fixations, possibly another citation source, and then I'm not too sure about this one, but we could go, you know, if we're performing SEO, we go and look at these websites, can we get the same? And then we obviously want to get more. So he's only got a few, so this is Paintless Mobile Dent Repair Pittsburgh, and then if we look at Dent Repair now, he's got a few more, so 56. And again, we just go down the list. Yellow Pages is a obviously a citation source, which is your brand name, number and phone, brand name, number and address, or service area. Bird Eye, Super Pages, these are all citation sources, so very easy to get. So that's what we do, is look at these. We use these tools to find out exactly what they're doing to rank, and then we go and get those same sources if we can. If not, we get better ones and then more of. So they're the main elements to SEO, or some of the main elements to local SEO, and they will help you rank in this Google Maps pack and in the organic section down here. So again, if we have a look at the keywords and volumes, if you add these up for your ranking in the #1 spot for a handful of these terms, you know, it's a few hundred people just from these top 4 or 5 keywords that you could potentially be getting phone calls from each month. So I hope that helps. If you do want to discuss this further, the next step would be to set up what's called a discovery call, where I get to know you and your business. We have a meeting on Zoom, and we talk about what exactly you want to achieve, and then we work our way back through the numbers to make sure it's achievable and it's affordable, and we go from there. So hope to hear from you. Again, apologies on the delay. Have a great day.